Hi friends, welcome to Polstag. Today we learn how to show and hide formula in Excel. So let's begin. Hello friends. Many time while working in Excel we want to look the formula used in a cell. Today I am going to tell you how you can easily find out the formula used in a cell. For this, select the cell you want to view formula for. Press Ctrl plus tilde sign exists in font of number 1 in keyboard. And that's it. Similarly, if you want to hide the same, press Ctrl plus tilde again with the cell selected. It hide the formula and show only the result. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel.